Okay guys, here's the kitchen to size and scale. Double oven cabinet, the cooktop, a wood hood, Lazy Susan in the corner, spice pull out, tray divider for cookie sheets, sink cabinet, dishwasher, and the trash. Trash pull out, 2 trash cans. Any exposed cabinet back or side has paneling. So this would have the same door panel style on the side of the cabinet as well as here and on the back of the Peninsula. On the left side of the double oven cabinet, pantry cabinet, still 36 inches wide, decorative toe kick for the buffet cabinet, a butcher block wood top here, glass doors, clear glass, fridge cabinet, oven, and this is the desk area. So this would be in wood, and then everything else is painted, with the exception of this would be stained, and then possibly the hood would be stained, and the walnut butcher block top would be walnut with just an oil finish on it. But this is the size and scale of what we have to work with here. And right now these fridge legs come out 26 1/4. So there's the issue with the fridge if it's much deeper. Of course we can extend these out a bit, but right now from the end of the Peninsula right here to the front of the fridge cabinet is 69 inches. So I know we talked about moving the Peninsula around a little bit. We've got plenty of room to move around right there. And the hood cabinet is about 7 inches taller than these uppers, as well as this fridge cabinet stands tall. So the top of this is 100 inches. The crown would add a couple inches, and then the tops of this cabinet here is 93 inches plus about 2 inches for crown molding. Okay guys, let me know what you think, and if that works we can keep moving forward. Thank you.